Hello friends, I'm Yogesh Kshirsagar. Today we are going to talk about English as a global language and its importance in our career. The presentation has some certain objectives. After going through this presentation, the learners will be able to understand what is a global language, explain the importance of English nowadays, discuss English as a global language, know the usefulness of English in one's career. We all know that language is one of the primary sources of communication. Much of our communication takes place with the help of language, either it is spoken or written language, and it is the method to show our ideas, to share, express our views, opinions with the people around. And therefore we find that there are thousands of languages in the world. We come across many languages as we travel, and it is said that language changes every mile, and each and every nation has its own language. We call that language as a national language. Apart from national language, there are some local languages also. They are called as regional languages. There is a kind of variation in the number of people using a language. For example, some languages have millions of people who use it, whereas some languages have limited number of people to use that language. Before we go further, let's pause for a minute and think, where and how do we use English language? I hope you might have thought about it, so let us see how English is used. We know that English nowadays has become a very important part of our life, and it plays a very significant role in our daily life also. Means apart from professional life, it is very important in our daily life also, and because it has become the massive means of communication. Much of our communication takes place through English, and therefore learning to speak English well may be the best way to improve our life, because we get number of opportunities if we are well familiar with the use of English. And therefore almost each and every country in the world uses English for their communication, variety of purposes. How does English connect us to the whole world? The most important thing is, whatever learning material, whatever information is available in the world, especially in the form of print material like books, magazines, journals, papers, etc., that is in English language, and therefore we term it as English as a library language. Then it is also the language of international business. It brings people at international and national level together. It connects them and it helps them to establish, share, or make their businesses grow. Then it is the language of academics and education as well, because at almost each and every level of education, English has become the medium of instruction. It is used everywhere. It is the language of internet and entertainment also. Much of the websites, almost 99% of the websites or information available on internet, that are in English, no doubt, and therefore it becomes the language of internet. Use of English increases our level of understanding of the society. How does it happen? When we learn English, when we are able to use English, we get access to the wider range of books, magazines, wider range of information available on internet, and therefore certainly it helps us to know more about the society, and therefore we understand the society in better way. What is the use of English in education? As we have talked about, English has become the language of academics and education, so it is very essential in that field. Almost in all the countries, as we already have discussed, that English is taught to the children. They are encouraged to learn English even as their second language. and it happens in many countries where English is not the official or native language. And at the other hand, you will find that at higher education level specifically, like university level or schools or college level, even students in many countries study English almost for the purpose of understanding all their subjects, and so that they can access the material available to them, not only at local level but even at state level, national level and international level also. So how English is going to help us? It is going to help us to have better educational career, because we are going to learn our topics, subjects from the branch that we have chosen with the help of English, and therefore our learning will become more easy. If we have mastery on language, understanding will become rather easy for us. And obviously the basic skills of language, any language, reading, writing, speaking and listening, and even presenting whatever we have listened is also important. So whatever we have learned in our career, in our educational career, we have to prove that, and for that examinations are there, different examinations like written exams are there, oral exams are there, presentations are there, competitions, workshops, conferences, tests, quizzes. These things are there through which we have to prove ourselves, and the medium to prove ourselves, we can say English is a kind of window to your personality. So from that point of view, for presentation purpose, we use English. We have discussed these 2 points: access to internet and other media, and English as a library language. We can get all the resources available to us. We can access them by using English if we have command on the language. Then second important point comes over here is our how English helps us at professional level, means beginning from the job application that you draft, interview that you appear for, and again for the business purposes, having a meeting, giving presentation in a meeting, then having business deal. For each and every small little things in your professional career, English is going to be one of the important means of your communication. And over there, in some cases, your personality can be judged through your presentation. I hope you might have understood what is the importance of English in career. Certainly, we are going to talk about how to improve English and how to get mastery on the basic skills of language in upcoming videos. Till then, thank you very much. I would be happy to know your feedback and comments. Do share them on my email ID. Thank you. Have a good time.